Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the Crochet Corner, a tulip that never wilts and fits in your pocket. Let's crochet this beautiful tulip flower keychain together. For this project, I'm using pink, green yarn, keychain, stitch protector, 3mm hook, and needle and cotton filling. Start by making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around 2 fingers, insert your hook into the loop, pull up a loop and chain 1 to secure. Then make 6 single crochet into the center of the ring. And pull the yarn tail to close it. Slip stitch into the first chain, and chain 1. Now secure the chain with stitch protector, so we can remember the stitch. For round 2, make 2 single crochet in every chain. Repeat the same process entire row. And then slip stitch, chain 1. Now for round 3, make 1 increase and 1 single crochet. For increase, make 2 single crochet and 1 chain. Then repeat the same process entire row. Then slip stitch, chain 1. For round 4, make 1 single crochet, and then 1 more single crochet another chain. And then third chain, make an increase. Repeat the same process entire row. Then slip stitch, and chain 1. Now round 5, make single crochet in every chain. and repeat the same process entire row. Then slip stitch and chain 1. Now round 6 to 11th, make single crochet in every chains. Now flip the project, so we can make round 12. First make a chain 1, and then slip stitch into the half chain. And repeat the same process until the last chain. Then slip stitch and chain 1. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Make sure cut the yarn long enough so we can sew the flower. Now we have to make the leaves. Leave the yarn long enough to sew, and make a slip knot, and make 12 chain. Skip first chain and do single crochet into the second chain, and repeat the process into the third chain. Now for fourth chain, make half double crochet. Now make 6 more half double crochet into every chain. Now make single crochet into the remaining chains. Then chain 1 and make 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. Now we have to do the same process other side. First make a single crochet. And then make 7 half double crochet. And then slip stitch. Chain 1. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Now make 1 more leaf. Now we have to make the stem. Make a slip knot and make 20 chains. And slip stitch into the chain 15. and then slip stitch into every chain, and cut the yarn and fasten off. Now we have to attach the stem to the flower. Take a hook and insert in the round 2 of flower. And pull through the yarn. Do same other side also. Then make a knot like this I'm showing in the video. Now fill the flower with the cotton filling. After filling, squeeze the circle, so we can found the center. Now sew the flower. Take a needle and insert in the round 11th. And pull through into other side. Repeat the process 2 times so it tightened. Now insert the needle in the center and pull through the other side of flower. Now insert the needle in the same spot and pull through the other side of flower. And tight the yarn so it's closed. Now your flower looks like this. Now weave to sew the leaves. First, sew the one leaf in the stem. Then attach the second leaf also. Then sew them together. Cut the yarn and fasten off. And that's our crochet tulip flower keychain complete. Now attach the keychain. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Crochet Corner for more crochet tutorials and handmade creations. See you in the next video.